Keeping affiliates motivated. Running affiliates programs is easier than ever with the software and help available now. However, keeping your affiliates motivated and selling isn't quite as easy to do. If the success of your business rests upon how your affiliates perform, you may want to provide them with the right tools to get the job done successfully. If you are already running an affiliate program for your products, you should know that a large number of people who sign up for your program never to be heard from again. You can, however, reduce the number of non-productive affiliates by remaining in touch with them constantly. Remind them of their usernames and passwords, and tell them where to log in to check their stats or get creative. Always keep them informed of new product lines or changes in policy or procedures. The key to motivation is making sure that you stay in touch. Always pay attention to who your top sellers are, and make sure that you contact them on a regular basis. Pay attention to who your worst producers are, and make sure you stay in touch with them constantly as well. The main reason most affiliates don't perform that well is because they don't possess any leadership or guidance. This can easily be changed by writing a marketing course, which you can even offer for sale to non-affiliates, although you should make it available to your affiliates at no charge. Keep your creatives and sales copy up to date. You should also provide new material for your affiliates to use on a regular basis. Providing them with nothing but a text link and one banner just doesn't generate much excitement at all. Provide your affiliates with sales letters, reviews, ads, banners of different shapes and sizes, and anything else that comes to mind. Be sure that your affiliates know the material is there for them to use. Always listen to your affiliates, and get the proper feedback on your material. You should also hold virtual meetings. Set up chat rooms where your affiliates can attend virtual meetings on a weekly basis. Be sure to answer any questions, have motivated speakers, and anything else you can think of to make the meetings more motivated. Giving your affiliates the credit they deserve is also very important. Each month, you should give credit to the best performers in your affiliate newsletter. Give small bonuses to those that perform well, and you can even set up a payment structure that rewards higher commissions and bigger volumes of sales. Always make sure you do everything you can to help your affiliates succeed and make money in your program. If they are making money, you are succeeding and making money as well. In reality, their success is your success.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.